In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a crew logo here in Blox Fruits. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do is start by actually going to the Roblox website by going to roblox.com. And up at the very top, what you're going to want to do instead of actually going onto Blox Fruits is hit this little create tab just like so. If it doesn't redirect you, go immediately to create.roblox.com. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is actually go over to your creation. So select that. And then up in here, you're going to see a few different tabs up at the top. Go ahead and select development items and then go specifically into the decals tab. After you do that, what you're going to want to do is upload your asset. Now you could choose your image file for your crew logo. You can create an image file. It doesn't necessarily matter. I'm just going to upload one that I already have. So I'm going to select upload and then we'll use this BozHub PNG just like so. And this is a pretty clean looking one. I'm not going to lie. It looks awesome. But say you don't already have one, you can actually design one in something like Paint, Photopia, Canva, or really any other image editor. Just make sure that you're using a resolution of 1024 by 1024 in order to get the perfect size. From here, go down to the name section and you're going to want to name your decal whatever you would like it to be. So let's just say this one is called Just Boz. And then you could also add a brief description if you would like. I'm just going to say Just Boz Decal. From here, go ahead and select upload and it's going to immediately begin uploading just like so. And you'll see it pop up in this section right here. Go ahead and click the three dots on it and you're going to see an option to open the asset details. Go ahead and select that and it's going to open up a new page just like so. And go ahead and take this little address bar up here up at the very top and go ahead and copy it by hitting something like Control C, Command C, whatever. From here, open up another tab, and what you're going to want to do is go back to roblox.com, go back up to the very top in this create section up at the very top, and go once again over to this sidebar, and this time you're going to want to select store, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, filter by decals up at the very top, and what you're going to want to do is just paste in your asset number down at the very end, and then go ahead and hit search for it. If it doesn't pop up, just type in the full link just like so, and you may have to scroll down a little bit, but find the image on there, select it, and then copy the link. For example, let's just say that this is it right here. From here, now open up another tab and go ahead and get loaded into Blox Fruits by typing in Blox Fruits and get loaded into the game. And once you get loaded into the game, you can choose any of this stuff and find your crew icon over here, select it, and then paste that decal link into that logo box. Hit enter and your crew logo is now going to be set. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.